Simba TV.
When astronauts need to fix something in space, like a satellite, they go on a special adventure called a spacewalk. Imagine astronauts as brave space heroes stepping out of their spaceship, like going for a walk in space. They wear a special line around their waists to stay connected to their spaceship, like holding hands with it so they don't float away. They bring their toolboxes full of amazing tools to fix things. But in space, they have to be super careful, because if they let go of their tools, they'll float away. Sometimes they use cool robotic arms or special chairs that act like space cars to move around. If they need lots of time to fix things, they can even bring the satellite into their spaceship's special bay, like bringing it into a garage. This makes it easier for them to work on it. So, astronauts are like space superheroes, always ready to fix and explore the wonders of space.